All right, back we go. Some more videos. January 31st, Sunday. Let's take a look at ARCT. This is a higher price stock. 21 million float, though, low float, 1.72 billion. ARCT Therapeutics. Option markets predicting a spike in Arcturus Therapeutics. It is a company RNA, treats liver and respiratory care disease. And they're involved in the COVID space too. Yeah, let's take a look at this on the daily. Yeah, this has made another big move on this stock. This stock was down here $10, went to 20, went to 60 back in June. Came back a little bit, fought this 60 line and came back. You see the back and forth in this. So the 60 line was huge on this, very big. Then it broke up in November. 120 this went to, incredible. Then it gapped down very big and came inside this channel here, this ascending channel. See, this broke out, then it came in. So big ascending triangle. Now this is right at the 60 line, and see right here, look at this. Went up to 80, then couldn't hold after this gap down. Now we're back and forth. The 60 line became support, very big support. So if stochastics going up is very good. You get a nice move on Friday. If we can get back to 80 here into this gap, you like the move on this, and then it pulled back pretty hard though. I say we can get into 80 to 100, plus eventually. Short term, let's look at 80 to maybe 100. The way this is lining up, the stacking here, it's very good. And technically, that move here. So 80 is going to be big. We get over 80. You want support to hold 60, which it's done. It's proven that. So this is a lot in the pipeline too. This isn't a penny stock. So, this is better odds to keep going than a lot of stocks, especially right now. All right, ARCT. HSTO, 9 million float. Histogen, healthcare biotechnology, 34 million market cap. 19th, they had news reports FDA clinical hold for a planned phase F trial of HSTO03 knee cartilage regeneration. Develops product cells grown under simulated embryonic conditions. It's a regenerative medicine company. So this one had a very big drop, had a split. Forming a big wedge here. This came all the way down. I said it would break from the wedge, which it did. 75. This one all the way up to 160. Look at this run. Big run up. And then this came back to the 110 level right now. So it's a good pullback. Now, is it done pulling back? It's showing that it's stochastics are going down. So, I really don't want this to move below 1 because then you're just going all the way back down. So you need a hold here. Somewhere's got to hold. 1's an important level. So if we hold at 1 and bounce up, we can get through 150. Get back to the 160 level. And eventually, I'd like to see this get to, I think 225 we can get to. So, we'll see here. It's fading back. You can draw a line here too. Draw your line right here. Get these candles. It's holding on the trend line. We'll see what this does though. All right, HSTO. GLG, 62 million float, 165 million market cap. TD Holdings. No news in this at all. Focused on new commodities trading business. This had a big rundown too. Then it found, then this had this big U shape, the big cup and handle. Here actually had a few moves like a cup and handle and really took off. 2020. Got to 175. This thing exploded in June. Look at this. Went to 4. Big drop. And then look at this wedge. This is a classic falling wedge pattern. You just draw your lines each side, and eventually it should break out. This is how it works. Usually it'll come out, and come down, and then break out. So this one, the 175 one was 250. Tried to get over 250, didn't work. Yeah, I'd look for support here too. The lowest 175. Got to keep these lows in order here. See, we're making a nice climb. If this can keep going, you got to get back up there 225. And you're looking here, that 250 line's pretty big. Each line, we have line to line, we have a lot of steps here. So on the way down and the way up now, 250, 275, etc. And you can draw your line too, draw a trend line. So this is, want this to hold, or else you're just breaking down. Now they can fall further. They can call, getting tired. They can fall further into this like 175s, and it could bounce here. It could drop all the way back. So it's a tough move right now. You're trying to get back over this 225 level. And once you've had a run, that's the problem. It's easy when you're down on the run. Easy call here. I knew this was going to break out from the wedge. Most of the time you can predict it. But now you're up here. Now what's it going to do? Keep going? Pull back? So this is on a day-to-day basis. You have to see how this runs. So now Finbiz is showing a good candle on Friday. That's weird. This is showing like a spiky candle. Maybe TC2000 is wrong on this. It's showing a full candle. Well, anyway, if it is near past this, maybe got cut off. It's still on a good run here. So GLG coming out of the wedge. It's looking pretty good right now. So we'll see what it does here. High up on stochastics. You got to watch that. See, oversold, overbought, and you have good volume down here. So we'll see on this one. All right, that's it for this video. Please subscribe to Mike Came and Trade. Smash the like button. Stock Splits, Mike Came and Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Trade ideas, you can check that out in my link. I think this is my 10th video. I think I need a coffee. I'm trying to do 20 today. I've never done 20 videos. These are short videos, like 10 minutes. Just giving some updates, just little buy sell levels. So that's it. Peace.